3D Photo Transition Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, find and open Alight Motion on your device. Once the app has loaded completely, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new project. Next, set your project settings according to your needs. After selecting the desired settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. When the project is ready, press the plus button in the bottom right corner and import the footages that you want to use for the transition. After the footage layers have been added to the timeline, select the first footage layer to begin creating the effect. With the first footage selected, go to the Effect option and press Add Effect to open the Effect browser. Browse through the available categories and find the 3D section. Open the 3D category and pick one effect that you like. For example, let's choose Flip Effect. Once you find it, apply the effect to the first footage. After adding the flip effect, select the Transition Out preset. This preset creates a 3D flipping animation that moves the first footage out of view and prepares it for the transition. Next, select the second footage layer in the timeline. Open the Effect browser again and return to the 3D category. Find the flip layer effect and apply it to the second footage. This time, choose the Transition in preset. The Transition in preset creates a matching 3D flip animation that brings the second footage into view. By applying Transition Out to the first footage and Transition into the second footage, both layers work together to create a smooth 3D photo transition. After the effects have been added to both footage layers, go to the Effect option and open the flip layer settings. Adjust the graph for the flip layer effect on both footages according to your needs. The graph controls how the animation moves between its starting and ending points. Continue adjusting the graph settings until both flip animations flow naturally into one another. Once the graph settings are adjusted and the effects are applied to both footage layers, the 3D photo